Stop animating your intros by hand, because there's an easier way. Follow me along and watch how you can make your intro just as easy as possible.
BlenderDefender.
So, before I start the video, I just want to say thanks to my subscribers. I currently reached 10 subscribers. But whether you're subscribed or not, help me by filling in the formula you can find clicking on the first link in the description below. But now, let's get to animating. Before you can follow me along, you'll have to get this free add-on from Jack's Look called Animation Notes. You can download it via the second link in the description. Install it via the add-on preferences. If you get errors when clicking this little checkbox here, check the third link in the description. I'm sure this will help you, it also helped me. But now to the actual creation of the text intro. Let's create a text and an empty. Give the text any font you like. Then open up a window with the animation notes. Let's create a new note tree, press Shift A and add in a text input. There you can type in the text you like. After that, add a text object output. Connect your text input with the text object output. Set the object to the text object you created and press this and this button. Back in the viewport, select the empty and add a keyframe at 0. Then open up the graph editor and under key, press Bake Sound to F-curve and choose the dubstep sound you like. Then have a look at the frame where the sound ends. We're going to need this later on. But now, back to the animation notes. Add F-curves from object and choose the empty object. Add the Get List Elements node and connect it with the F-curves from object node. Then add Interpolation from object and connect it with the Get List Element node. Now add an Animate vector node. Set the duration to the end frame of your F-curve. Connect the interpolation from F-curve to the interpolation and connect a new time info node to the time. Now all you have to do is setting the end values. I would start very low. For me, 0.001 worked fine. Add a object transform output. Check these 3 buttons, connect your text object output and your animate vector like this. Find a nice perspective, light your scene and render it out. And there it is, your animated dubstep intro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Leave a like and subscribe, and remember, the river cuts its way through stone not because it's so strong, but because it persistently pursues its destination.